Edo Governor Obaseki don tok say the strategic reforms for the state healthcare system for the past 8 years dey focus on how to capture the money wey Nigerians dey spend for medical tourism. E yarn this one for the celebration of 5 years of quality healthcare for Edo Specialist Hospital (ESH) for Benin City. Obaseki come point out say Nigerians dey spend over $3 billion every year for healthcare abroad and come ask say why the money no fit dey used for Edo State. Obaseki come talk say e dey important make dem unlock the value for the healthcare chain to keep the money for here. E come use Edo Specialist Hospital as example, say e show say dis kind healthcare facilities fit dey for the state and say the hospital na product of reforms for different sectors, and e show the commitment of the administration to improve healthcare delivery.
The biggest obstacle to reform is us. We, particularly the elites, because of fear. Not because we are bad people. So if leadership will change anything, it is that belief, that understanding, that knowledge of what needs to change and the courage to stay the path. What resources does government have, and how best do you deploy those resources for the care of our people? It also became obvious that something was broken, because the core of our care system in 2016-17 was UPTH. For everybody trooped in there because the entire network had collapsed. Meanwhile, we had budgets for care, for healthcare, which we dispensed, regularly. So, with this team, we said, look, let's put together a new healthcare program, which we termed the Health Improvement Program. I said, first must be answering the question, how do we give more access to our people? We have about 5 million people in Edo State. How do we make sure that more of them can receive care? 2, was clear that there were more of our people were receiving care from private providers than from government. So clearly, most people were not going to receive care because they could not afford it. So the issue of financing healthcare, what we then realized, was at the core of the healthcare challenge. Because everywhere in the world, healthcare is expensive. We government were pretending to be giving you free care, which we were not. You were pretending to be going to receive private care, which you could not afford. So that was the situation we found ourselves. So it was clear that for what we had to do in healthcare, government just did not have the resources, both financially and also in terms of people.
The governor celebrated the achievements even with the obstacles and come highlight the real benefits of the project to residents. Obaseki come also acknowledge the collective efforts and dedication wey make the reform successful and finally improve healthcare delivery for the state. For the celebration, Governor Obaseki come present one scholarship award to the first pikin wey dem born for Edo State Specialist Hospital to show the administration's commitment to support future generations and highlight the importance of investing in healthcare for long-term benefits.
We're going to be presenting a scholarship award. Hands together for him. His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Edo State. Wow, put your hands together. Lovely. Put your hands together.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.